Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how you can create a catalog using IBM Watson Studio. This is your dashboard. Here the catalog link, we will click on this. It will open a new dashboard. You can see a create catalog button is here. We will click on that. This is a window to create a new catalog. If you didn't find any instances here, then you can create it. It's a very simple, like we did in the first lesson, to create a storage server instance. So using this storage instance, your metadata is going to be stored here in the encrypted form, and that data will be of your assets file content. How you can set the name here, like education, and then you can click on the enforce data policies. Once you have confirmed it, you cannot change it later on. So this is a permanently enforce the data policies. After that, we will click on the create. Now it's creating your first catalog, and this is a catalog which will now store your assets content in the form of metadata. This time this is your empty screen because there is a no file added, no data is added under the catalog. How you can add it? We will click on the add to catalog, local files. Here you can browse the file, select it. Now this file is added. So we will click on add button. This is your first catalog which create your assets content, the iris.csv file. You can see 3 tabs on the top. This is your browse assets, which will show you the list of the assets added in this catalog. And when you will click on the access control, here you can see who has added and who is the admin of this catalog. Here you can also add the more team members or collaborators, clicking on this. And you can also set the permission how they can access your this content of the assets. If you go the settings page, it will show you the all settings of the catalog. You can change the name and the description from here when it is created, and it will give you the whole description about like when your catalog was created and what we have made the changes in this. Everything you can see here. So we will go back here, browse assets. Here you can choose a name, like type the name of the assets you want to search if you have a number of assets, and it is showing you the rating of this as one, or the person who likes it much, they can rate it. This is highly rated and recently added. So this is a Watson recommendation showing, and this is a name, type, and the date added in this. Now this was all about how you can create your own catalog and how you can add assets to it or data to it using IBM Watson Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next lesson.